वेलकम टू द चैनल एवरीवन। करंटली मैं हूँ ज़वेरी बाज़ार में एंड आई हैव कम हियर फॉर अ वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग टुडे. So in today's video I'll be showing you the physical silver and gold prices which are going around here in Mumbai, especially the biggest bullion market that is known in India. I'll be probably checking out the prices of silver, as I've heard कि थोड़े shortage में चल रहा है, as well as gold bullion also. So let's see, try to visit a couple of shops, show you the entire detail, the prices that they are giving for buying and selling. Welcome to the channel everyone. My name is Mukund and let's find out the prices of silver and gold in the physical market here in Mumbai right now, and let's begin. Yeah, so I wanted to know the current rate of buying for silver. 265 and selling 4-5,000 rupees difference. And available, I'm asking you generally, like, is it available? And very low. And is there a premium going on right now? How much? 10,000 rupees is premium. So per kilo 10,000 rupees. So 2 lakh. What did you say? 275 is what? So 10,000 premium. So it's going for 265 a kilo. And that too, availability is not confirmed. Any size का not confirmed क्या? Kilo size is not confirmed.
Okay.
Kilo. So it's okay, fine. So shortage is there. That's what is being stated. Okay, fine. So there is a very apparent shortage that is going on. The current price that is being sold for here is around, I think, 2,70,000 rupees. In the end, I will put a proper chart to show you the comparison of the prices in USD. But there is a shortage going on. The physical bars, especially the kilo is in short supply. Let's go and see a couple of more shops and find out कि वहाँ पे physical rate क्या चल रहा है. So what's the rate that you are buying and buying right now? No. We are not asking. I'm asking you personal basis.
सर देखो क्या है, बाइंग सेलिंग में 10,000 रुपये पर्सन है.
Okay.
फिजिकल मार्केट.
Okay.
तो इट्स अ टू वोलेटाइल मार्केट. तो वी कैन नॉट गिव यू द प्राइस. आप सामने आवेगा, सामने काम करके.
But a general direction of what's going on today. So a kilo is for how much? Buying.
भी और ड्रॉप हुआ है. तो क्या अभी हमारे हाथ में
तो
वो
बस
जब बोलो तो
वो तो बात सही है, हाँ. But then buying और selling में कितना गैप पड़ रहा है?
5 से 10,000 रुपये.
5 से 10,000 पड़ रहा है. तो 270 is roughly what you are.
260 क्या?
260 is what you are buying and selling for also. And availability?
You can get it.
Availability is there.
Sure.
And there is no premium on gold.
As it is, we cannot tell you the premium price.
But silver is carrying a premium.
बाइंग सेलिंग अगर मार्केट काफी फ्लक्चुएट हो रहा है ना, तो वो आपका प्राइस प्लस माइनस होएगा ही होएगा.
Okay. So he's saying availability is there. Availability is there and bars are available.
तो प्लस माइनस इतना हो रहा है कि प्राइसेस आर नॉट फिक्स.
Prices, no, I'm talking about bullion availability is there. Not a problem. Not a shortage.
For silver.
Not a shortage for silver. Okay, fine.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Perfect. So again, same, the price fluctuating a lot. It is ranging between 265 and 275. That's what I've heard. And availability is not a problem. You are easily getting coins as well as silver bars available. But the price is fluctuating so much that the moment you sit with cash, it goes up and down by at least 10 or 15,000 rupees. So we are right now in the middle of ज़वेरी बाज़ार. So shortage तो है, बिल्कुल है. Ready available नहीं है. Usually in these shops you end up seeing gold and silver readily available, but it's not the case. And roughly it's around a 10% premium that's going on right now. And 265, 270 per kilo. That's the price जो अभी currently. So we are going now in this shop here in ज़वेरी बाज़ार. I will not be able to shoot him, but I will show you the prices of the silver bullion that he is giving you. How much is he saying? This is a kg. Pure है.
तो दूसरा पीस है तो दोनों प्योर है. एग्जेट है तो एग्जेट है.
Okay, fine. So he's saying 1 kg for how much?
2,70,000.
270. And एक ही बार है आपके पास? अच्छा, yes, plenty of silver available. और अभी और previous
Can I show this?
Yeah, well, so this is Silver House Refinery Pratap Brothers, and this is Naran Marudas. This is also 1 kilo.
1 kilo,
1 kilo, 1 kilo, and दोनों सेम बोल रहे हो आप?
277,
277 और फर्क क्या है दोनों में? खाली डिज़ाइन का फ़र्क है, प्योरिटी का फ़र्क है?
ब्रांड का नाम है,
ब्रांड का नाम है, डिज़ाइन का फ़र्क है. सो इट्स रेडीली अवेलेबल एंड 5-6 दिन के कंपैरिजन में पहले अवेलेबल था क्या, अभी अवेलेबल हो रहा है, कैसा चल रहा है?
कभी भी अवेलेबल है,
कभी भी अवेलेबल है, शॉर्टेज हुआ नहीं कभी भी. ओके, और बाइंग का कितना कर रहे हैं आप? बाइंग का कितना ले रहे हैं? अरे बाप रे, इज इनसाइड. हाउ मच इज ही बाइंग सिल्वर फॉर? वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट. सो दिस इज द 2 bars that he is giving us. This is the Narondas bar, and this is also 1 kilo. That is also 1 kilo. This is 270, and this is आपने क्या बोला? 279. So around both of them are approximately for 270 approximately, and it's readily available. There is absolutely no shortage. मैं अभी ज़रा पता करके बताता हूँ आपको कि जो सेलिंग प्राइस है वो क्या है, सॉरी बाइंग प्राइस है वो क्या है.
फोटो दिखा के काम करना बाकी.
Buying is how much? 260. So there is a gap of 10,000 rupees. Gap of 10,000. Yeah, I'm done. I have to. So he has all of them readily available. So there is absolutely no shortage of silver, and he has silver dollars also. I think those are silver dollars inside. Yeah. So if you want to stack, you can absolutely come here. I think these are denoting the size, 75 grams and all of those things. These are all the bars. All the bars, yeah. So this is the shop that we came to, Pratap Brothers Chandiwala. So यहाँ पे Zaveri Bazaar में what happens is that there are specialty. Some shops they keep gold, some shops they keep silver. The shops that have silver might not have gold, and the other way around as well. So roughly what we found out, how much did we find out? It is 265 for selling. So it's 265 for selling, and sorry, no. So if you want to buy the bars, they are for 270, and if you want to sell the bars, they are for 260. So there is a spread of around 10,000 rupees going on. Availability is very openly available. बिल्कुल भी shortage नहीं है. And silver is अगर आपको stack करना है, it's a very nice price compared to what it was. I think it was 375, no? It was 375 just 15 days ago. Right now it is around 270, which is great. Gold is obviously readily available. Let me see if I'll be able to show you one more shop. I'll try my best. Till now I've shown you 3 shops here. He's got a kilo. And
I'm just asking, normally you have those bars.
After the 100 I have ready. 1 kg you won't have to get it from outside.
1 kg you'll have to get it from us, but it's available. A lot of it or only 1 kilo? Roughly, just asking for information. Well, they are saying shortage is there. Is it true?
There is no shortage.
There is no shortage. Okay.
That hype and everything is now gone.
It's gone, but now it's readily available. Was there ever a shortage?
In Diwali there was a shortage.
There was a shortage. There is no shortage now.
Now they
Okay. So I think the supply will resume now very well. So everything is available. I think that's what. So he has the small coins, but the bars you will have to place on order. You'll have to place on order. So the hype about being shortage is not there at all.
It is. And how much is this for?
Sit. It's 100 grams. Must be for 27,500 something like that. And how much are you buying it for? खरीद रहे कितने में?
Buying rate is a lot of difference.
How much?
Around 262.
262. तो 8-9 हज़ार का फ़र्क है. So this is the bar. He's saying this is the Manohar Das bar, which is there. So this is 100 grams. He has a kilo also available, and there is absolutely no shortage. जो सर जी हैं यहाँ पे. सर जी आपका दुकान का खाली नाम बता दीजिए. दुकान का नाम क्या है आपका? नहीं he'll show ना. So this is their shop here in just in the center of Zaveri Bazaar. Narandas Brothers. They have a lot of silver available, including kilo bars as well. And if you come with the money, I'm sure he'll arrange 5-10 kilos for you easily. So that there is absolutely no shortage. He even has the small coins also.
मुझे लेना पड़ेगा ऐसा है आप बढ़ाओगे तो कुछ नहीं ना
Piles also. So we are currently in the middle of Zaveri Bazaar right now. As you can see, काफी गर्दी है. We are going to 2-3 shops more and see whether they have silver. 500 grams. 500 and kilo. किलो शॉर्टेज है, अवेलेबिलिटी है?
नहीं,
मिल जाएगा रेडी में. क्या चल रहा है रेट आपका?
271 में मिल जाएगा. 271 किलो
बाइंग
किलो
मतलब सेलिंग और बाइंग में
बाइंग में 265.
265 तो 5000 रुपीस का स्प्रेड है. दे हैव द
और ये नहीं चाहिए
नरोन
raw
दास.
चाहिए तो रॉ भी आएगा.
रॉ भी आएगा क्या?
वो सस्ता.
सो ही हैज द 500 grams
69, 68
also and this
ये
but
मेकिंग चार्जेस लगता है.
मेकिंग चार्जेस लगता है बट सर्टिफाइड भी है ना ये, उसका सर्टिफिकेशन.
सर्टिफाइड है, ये भी सर्टिफाइड है, बेफिक्र रहिए.
ओके बट अगर घर
इसमें
पे
मेकिंग लगता है.
घर पे रखना है तो खाली
Yes.
एज पर इन्वेस्टमेंट
रॉ ले लो.
रॉ लेना बेटर है.
ये मतलब नहीं.
कितना फर्क आ रहा है दोनों के बीच में?
3000 का फर्क होता है.
3000 का फर्क
तो वो
है.
ज्यादा है, वो कम है,
वो
ये
कम है, ये ज्यादा है. इसमें क्या
बेचने के टाइम पे
सेम रेट.
तो इनका मेकिंग चार्जेस है बोल रहे हैं. सेम विद द स्मॉलर बार्स आल्सो. सो ही अपेरेंटली हैज द रॉ बार्स व्हिच इज रफली अराउंड 10,000 रुपीस चीपर.
3000.
3,000 रुपीस चीपर.
व्हाट इज द एक्सपेक्टेशन, मतलब अभी हम लोग ये
आगे फ्यूचर हाई है.
फ्यूचर हाई है ना.
पक्का
बिल्कुल.
सिल्वर का
वो फिर अभी देखो नसीब.
ये एक महीना नसीब
नहीं वो
महीना
तो
नहीं, कम से कम रुकना पड़ेगा.
रुकना पड़ेगा.
अभी महीना आप सोचोगे तो फिर महीने में
ट्रेडिंग तो नहीं कर सकते.
हाँ.
But-
आपको ऐसा कितना किलो लेना?
6 months 1
हम 2 किलो
2 या 3 किलो
बस
लेने
2 किलो ले लो, रख लो. दिवाली तक 4 लाख का ऊपर भाव
वो
है.
तो बात सही है.
आप अभी सोचोगे एक महीने में मेरे को 4 लाख चाहिए तो नहीं आएगा.
बट अभी 2 हफ्ते पहले लेते थे तो और अभी लेते थे तो बहुत अभी बेनिफिट है ना. अभी बहुत
4
बेनिफिट.
लाख था तभी.
4 लाख तक 2.5 लाख मिल रहा है. बट शॉर्टेज कभी हुआ? शॉर्टेज नहीं हुआ
शॉर्टेज
कभी.
पहले हुआ था, अभी नहीं.
अभी नहीं हो रहा है क्या? अभी पर डिमांड है.
डिमांड तो चलते ही रहता है.
डिमांड तो चलते ही रहता है. अभी एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या जाएगा? कितना टाइम
देखो करेक्शन आना था, आगे
आ गया?
बराबर. अब वापस थोड़ा तो खींचेगा,
हाँ.
धीरे धीरे खींचेगा. जैसे वो पहले जैसे कैसे खींचता था 20-30 हजार,
हाँ,
वो एक्सपेक्टेशन मत रखो.
हाँ.
ऐसा लेके आप रख सकते हो दिवाली तक. ऐसा दिवाली या दिवाली के पहले
15 मार्च तक आप कोई सिल्वर बेचना मत. आई वुड रेकमेंड.
मतलब
15 मार्च तक मत बेचना. या अभी से लेके 31 मार्च तक सिल्वर बेचना मत, रखना अपने पास.
ऐसा हाई जाने वाला है ना.
नहीं कॉमिक्स में शॉर्टेज हो गया है
वो ठीक है, माल तो जितना चाहिए उतना मिलता है. आपको 100 किलो
तो
चाहिए
प्राइस. हाँ तो ही सेइंग. सो व्हाट आपका नाम? तो विशाल भाई यहाँ पे वही बोल रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे ज़वेरी बाज़ार में बिल्कुल भी शॉर्टेज का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एंड जो भी जितना भी आपको वैल्यू का सिल्वर चाहिए, ये नो मैटर द प्राइस ही विल मेक इट अवेलेबल फॉर यू. द रजिस्टर्ड वन एज वेल एज द स्मॉल सिल्वर बार्स ऑल्सो. ओके फाइन. So I'm just currently editing the video and I have a couple of tables to share with you here on Excel. If you currently see that the buying price that we have here across all the shops that we visited in Mumbai was around 2,65,000 rupees a kilo. This is what they were buying physical silver at, meaning you could go and sell it to them that day for 2,65,000 rupees. Consistently across every shops, we visited 4 shops. The price spread for buying physical silver was the same. And if you see the selling price, so they were selling physical bars and coins of silver for around 2,75,000 rupees per kilo. That was the selling price in which you could readily buy the bars. One shop told us that there is a slight shortage, the first shop that is, but the rest of them were having ready stock. So if we assume around the current spot price to be $77 per ounce globally, that is the paper price, of course. So we are getting around $1 is equal to 90 rupees, and a kilo of silver is around 32.15 ounce. So the buying price currently here in India is around $99.30 approximately per ounce. The spot price on the COMEX for paper contracts are around $77. So there is a premium of around 29%, nearly 30% above the current spot price in COMEX and the paper contracts worldwide. And while selling, they are selling it for around $103 per kilo, or you can call it like per ounce, sorry. And that makes it a difference of a massive difference of 35%. So approximately, when you are, when you are buying, when they are buying silver from you, they are buying it from you at 99 USD per ounce, and when they are selling it to you, they're selling it to you for 103. So if you see the selling number, that is a huge 35% price gap. So I'm hearing from the markets that there might be a huge price fluctuation in this coming week. And if I get a good response on this video, I will surely share that with you as well. I'm Mukund, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I try to show you as much detail as possible. If this gets a good response, I will surely visit the markets again. If you like today's video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Mukund, and take care, everyone.